Mhelbeth's table. Today I will show you a very simple, very easy, but very healthy radish and cucumber salad. So let's start. Here are the ingredients. Okay guys, for our ingredients, we will use just a dash of sea salt, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. You can use white wine vinegar. If you don't have, that's okay. 1 tablespoon of capers. This is optional as well. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Half a cup of sliced Parmesan cheese. About 12 pieces of fresh radish. And 1 piece of cucumber. 1/4 cup of olive oil and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. All right, I'm so excited to make this salad. It's really good, especially it's summertime. All right, guys, let's start. Okay, guys, let's start mixing first our dressing. The olive oil is here, so I add the lemon juice and the red wine vinegar. I'll put on the garlic, ground black pepper, and the honey. And also just a dash of salt. So I'll just put just a little bit. That's good. All right. And of course, guys, I forgot, we can also put some thyme. I have here my thyme plants that I want to cut some and add it in our salad because thyme is really, really good also for this kind of salad. All right. If you don't have these herbs, that's okay as well. You don't need to put. But this is also a really, really good flavor for this salad. So I'll just do this. This is my plant anyway, and I love it. Okay. So, really smells really good. There you go. And then we will just mix this together. This. Right? Look at that. It's so beautiful. Alright, so we will set this aside for now so that we can make our we can cut our vegetable. Alright, I'll just put here. And first I will cut my cucumber. So cucumber is really, really good also. It's a very healthy vegetable and it's so easy to buy, like in the superstores. There's a lot of cucumbers. So guys, there's a lot of vitamins also here and minerals also aid in weight loss because of the water content. And it's really good during summer, right? Now I have to slice all this into thin slices, radishes. Radish also, guys, has a lot of health benefit. Okay, guys. Tapos na tayo sa pag-i-slice ng ating radish. Okay. So, I'll put here. And then, we will now put our capers. And, ilalagay na natin yung ating dressing. This is so quick to make. Very simple. Pero, napaka-healthy siya. Okay. So, i-mix up lang natin siya, guys. Kasi nandyan na naman lahat yung dressing niya. Look at this. So beautiful. Radish is really healthy. Guys, kaya ugalin natin kumain ng radish. There you go. So, ganyan lang guys, kasimple. Napakadaling gawin. At napaka-healthy rin siya. So, pwede na natin siyang lagyan ng ating parmesan on top of it. Pero ilalagay ko ito sa mas maliit na bowl para mas magandang tignan. Alright? So guys, ito na yung ginawa nating napaka-simple pero napaka-healthy na salad natin. Alright guys, to all my subscribers, thank you so much. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated every time nagpo-post ako ng videos ko sa aking channel. Alright guys, enjoy your summer healthy salad.